Number 1. 1952 Chevrolet Style Line Deluxe. Price $29,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. For sale, a 1952 Chevrolet Style Line Deluxe, blending classic looks with modern performance. It's powered by a strong 350 Chevy engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, giving you smooth and responsive driving. Features include rack and pinion power steering, front power disc brakes, a tilt steering wheel, and cold air conditioning, making it super comfortable whether you're cruising around town or hitting the highway. The exterior stands out with clean paint and subtle ghost flames that give it just the right touch of attitude. Inside, it's clean, well kept, and ready to go. No work needed. This car runs and drives great, handles confidently, and is perfect for anyone looking for a classic that's not just for show, but also ready to enjoy. If you've been searching for a head-turning classic with real drivability, this one's ready for you. Number 2. 1968 Mercury Comet. Price $24,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This 1968 Mercury Comet Sport Coupe is a rare gem, with only 17,400 original miles on the clock. The engine has been upgraded to a 302 V8, featuring aluminum heads, aluminum intake, headers, and dual exhaust, delivering serious power and that unmistakable muscle car sound. While it retains manual steering and manual brakes, the addition of front and rear sway bars gives it solid handling and a confident ride. The factory AC system has been upgraded with a modern compressor, keeping the interior cool without sacrificing its classic look. On the outside, the car boasts 97% original paint, with all original body panels, a level of authenticity that's incredibly rare today. It even comes with the original factory window sticker, adding real collector value. Having spent most of its life in Tennessee, this car runs and drives like new, proving just how well it's been preserved. It's the perfect choice for collectors, or classic car enthusiasts looking for an authentic turnkey muscle car with serious curb appeal. Number 3. 1958 Ford Fairlane 500. Price $27,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 is ready for you to own, featuring a smooth-running 332 Ci V8 engine paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission that makes driving comfortable and easy. This classic car comes equipped with power steering for effortless handling and 4-wheel drum brakes that provide strong, reliable stopping power. The body is very clean with driver-quality paint, showing minor flaws that actually add to its vintage character. The chrome and bright work are well maintained, giving the car that distinctive classic shine. The interior and headliner are in excellent condition, perfect for long drives or casual cruising. Plus, the fuel tank and fuel pump are newly replaced, ensuring optimal engine performance. The floors and trunk pan are solid and rust-free. This car is truly ready to drive and perfect for anyone looking to stand out at cruise nights or add a valuable classic to their collection. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a Ford Fairlane 500 that delivers an unforgettable classic driving experience. Number 4. 1957 Ford Custom. Price $28,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This 1957 Ford Custom Tudor sedan is a classic car that will make you stand out on the road. Powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine with fuel injection technology, it delivers strong and responsive performance, paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission perfect for cruising. Features like power steering and 4-wheel disc power brakes ensure easy handling and safety, while power windows and a tilt steering wheel add modern comfort rarely found in classic cars. The front suspension uses tubular A-arms with coil springs, and the rear has leaf springs with shock absorbers, providing a stable and comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. The paint is still in excellent condition, giving the car a fresh and striking look, ideal for collectors or daily drivers alike. This car is ready to hit the road and accompany you with the perfect blend of classic style and modern performance. Don't miss your chance to own this legendary vehicle that's not only visually stunning but a joy to drive. Number 5. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Price $32,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is available at an attractive price of just $32,900, saving you up to $4,000 off the average market price of $36,900. This legendary classic car has relatively low mileage at 53,351 miles, indicating it's well-maintained and ready to hit the road anytime. Featuring a clean white exterior and an elegant brown interior, this car looks stunning and offers classic style with comfortable seating. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it makes every drive smooth and enjoyable, perfect for relaxed nighttime cruises or adding to your classic car collection. If you're a fan of quality vintage cars at an affordable price, this 1972 Chevrolet Nova is the perfect choice. Don't miss this golden opportunity to own an iconic vehicle. Number 6. 1967 Ford Mustang. Price $34,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This 1967 Ford Mustang convertible is a classic car that's ready to drive, powered by a strong 289 CI engine. It comes equipped with power steering and power brakes, making driving smooth and effortless. The power top with a boot cover lets you easily open and close the roof, perfect for enjoying the fresh air while cruising. The interior has been refreshed with new front and rear seat covers, adding comfort and a fresh look. The alternator and radiator are brand new, ensuring the engine runs at its best. Recently serviced, this Mustang is in excellent mechanical condition and ready to hit the road. Although it underwent restoration some time ago, it still looks great and well-maintained. This is a rare opportunity to own an iconic classic car that will turn heads and bring excitement to every drive. Number 7. 1968 Ford Mustang. Price $32,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. Here's a 1968 Ford Mustang C-Code V8. A classic car every collector and vintage car enthusiast must own. Powered by a strong 289 CI engine paired with an automatic transmission, this car delivers reliable performance and a comfortable driving experience. The power steering makes handling easy, while the original drum brakes on all four wheels maintain the Mustang's authentic classic character. The interior is in excellent condition, clean and well-maintained, adding both style and comfort behind the wheel. The body was repainted about 5 years ago, keeping its fresh and eye-catching look from every angle. Although the air conditioning is currently not working, the car still offers a great driving experience thanks to its well-maintained engine and transmission. You'll also receive complete restoration documentation, including photos and a special binder that details the care and restoration process. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own this iconic little pony, ready to bring you true classic style and performance on the road. Number 8. 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price $39,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This 1968 Oldsmobile 442 has been owned by the same person for over 30 years, proving how well it's been cared for. It's powered by a period-correct 4555 CI engine, paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth and comfortable shifting. With power steering and power brakes, this car offers excellent control and safety, making it a joy to drive, any condition. Inside, you'll find sporty bucket seats and a console, along with eye-catching red inner wheel wells that add a unique touch. While there are some paint imperfections from an older restoration, they don't take away from the car's comfort or performance. Plus, it just had a full service, so it's ready to hit the road without any worries. If you're a classic car enthusiast looking for a legendary ride with strong performance and a rich history, this 1968 Oldsmobile 442 is the perfect choice. Number 9. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price $36,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 Tribute is powered by a robust 350 CI V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission that delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. It features power steering and power brakes for easy and precise control. The braking system includes front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, providing the perfect balance of performance and safety. Inside, The classic and comfortable bucket seats and console are perfect for fans of retro rides who want to feel the authentic 70s vibe. The paint and body are in excellent condition with no major damage, and the floors are clean and rust-free. Plus, it comes with sporty aftermarket wheels and quality tires, making this car not only look great, but also ready to drive. If you're looking for a classic car that stands out, exudes class, and delivers reliable performance, this 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 Tribute is the perfect choice. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity. Number 10. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino. Price $30,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. The 1970 Chevy El Camino with its powerful big block 396 CI engine delivers impressive power and performance that's sure to grab your attention. It comes with a smooth automatic transmission and full comfort features like air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes, making it easy to drive and comfortable for any trip. Key components have been recently updated, including new plugs and wires, along with a fresh oil change, ensuring the engine runs smoothly and reliably. The paint and body are in great shape, and the floors are clean with no rust. This El Camino isn't just any classic car, it's a ready-to-drive vehicle with serious style and power. If you're looking for a classic ride that combines performance and a great look, this is your chance. Don't miss out. Contact us now and make this 1970 Chevy El Camino yours today. Number 11, 1965 Pontiac GTO. Price $39,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This 1965 Pontiac GTO comes equipped with the legendary 389 tri-power engine, delivering powerful performance and that classic muscle car roar from the 60s. With a manual transmission, you'll get a truly engaging and responsive driving experience. Power steering and power brakes ensure smooth and safe handling, while the bucket seats add extra comfort on the road. This classic car has been owned by the same person for 40 years, so the condition is well preserved, especially the interior, which remains clean and well maintained. The paint was redone about 30 years ago with driver-quality workmanship, maintaining its authentic vintage character. The chrome is also in great shape, keeping the car looking shiny and eye-catching. Most importantly, this GTO is ready to hit cruise nights and classic car events without needing any major work. If you're a fan of classic muscle cars with history and performance that still holds up, this 1965 Pontiac GTO is a rare opportunity you don't want to miss. Number 12. 1939 Ford Tudor. Price $47,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. Here's the 1939 Ford Tudor sedan, a classic car that has undergone a top-notch restoration and has won several prestigious awards. It's powered by the legendary flathead V8 engine, known for its power and reliability, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and a Columbia 2-speed rear end, delivering an authentic and enjoyable driving experience. This car also comes equipped with the original factory heater, fan, and vintage fog lamps, adding both historical value and functionality. The vehicle is exceptionally well maintained, especially the underside, which is very clean, a clear sign of meticulous care. It features wide white wall tires that give it that timeless classic look. This car isn't just for collectors, it's ready to be driven and enjoyed on the road. If you're a classic car enthusiast looking for the perfect blend of performance, history and style, the 1939 Ford Tudor sedan should definitely be on your radar. Number 13, 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS. Price $46,900. Location, Mundelein, Illinois. For sale, 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS convertible, a rare classic ride that's road-ready and full of style. Powered by a strong 327 CI engine with automatic transmission, this Impala delivers a smooth drive with power steering, power brakes, and a fully functional power convertible top. Perfect for anyone looking to cruise in a true American classic. Plenty of key components have been updated. A new alternator, new HEI distributor, new radio, and new battery. The braking system has been completely redone, including a new vacuum booster and it rolls on a fresh set of new tires for added safety and comfort. Inside, it's clean and refreshed with new carpet and all new weather seals on the doors and trunk. The paint is considered driver quality, making it great for immediate enjoyment or a light restoration project. This vehicle is shown by appointment only, so if you're serious about owning a turnkey classic, this Impala is worth checking out. Number 14, 1962 Pontiac Catalina. Price $49,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. This is the 1962 Pontiac Catalina, a true American classic ready for the garage of a serious collector. Powered by the original numbers-matching 389 Tri-Power engine, this car delivers raw, vintage performance paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission. With power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning, it offers rare comfort for a vehicle of its era. With only 57,000 original miles on the clock and having spent most of its life in sunny California, the body and undercarriage are in excellent condition. It's had one repaint, maintaining its classic look while staying fresh. The dual exhaust with cast iron headers gives it that deep, unmistakable rumble that muscle car fans crave. It comes with all original service manuals, making it not only road-ready but also collector-worthy. Financing is available, and we can assist with nationwide shipping. This beauty is shown by appointment only, so if you're serious, don't wait. Classic cars like this don't stay available for long. Number 15, 1965 Pontiac Le Mans. Price $54,900. Location Mundelein, Illinois. The 1965 Pontiac Le Mans GTO Tribute. Resto that will make you stand out on the road. This classic car comes fully rebuilt with a strong 400 CI engine and a mild cam, paired with a smooth and responsive turbo 400 automatic transmission. You'll enjoy easy handling thanks to power steering and safe braking with front disc brakes and rear drums. The exterior looks stunning with a custom two-tone black and silver paint job, plus legendary reproduction Hurst wheels that give it that authentic classic vibe. Step inside, and you're greeted by a custom dashboard featuring modern Dakota digital instruments, comfy 2005 GTO front bucket seats, and a center console with an AM/FM CD player. Perfect for your rides. This car has just been fully serviced, so all you have to do is turn the key and go. If you're looking for a classic car that not only looks amazing but is also ready to drive with modern comfort, this Pontiac Le Mans GTO Tribute is the perfect pick. Don't miss your chance to own this iconic classic.